Hello and welcome to the Jaguar XK8 Fog Light DRL conversion wire video. I converted my front fog lights into daytime running lights, or DRLs. I only needed a short wire with a diode in the circuit. This linked two relays in the engine fuse box. Yes, it was that simple, and it worked. The components were not expensive. I needed a diode, shrink wrap, and some wire. I did solder the wires with a soldering iron, but it's very basic stuff. I was able to do this after watching a video by Richard Astley called XK8 Lighting Modifications. Now, this video is very comprehensive. It's 42 minutes long, but the section you need to look at for this DRL conversion is at 32 minutes 34 seconds. It's towards the end of the video. I have added a link for his video at the end of this video for you to have a look at. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more XK8 videos. Bye bye.